Hello students, today we are going to see nature of heat and work. And first of all we have to see nature of work. The symbol of work is W. So what is mean by work done or work? Work is defined as the energy by which body is displaced through a distance d with an opposing force. So here we take an object or a duster, and if we force like this, then this duster move or displace a distance d by application of force. So this is the work. W is equal to force into displacement. आपण फोर्स जेवढा लावलाय तेवढा त्याची डिस्प्लेसमेंट झाली, त्याला म्हणायचं आहे वर्क डन. सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन इन मेकॅनिक्स. इन थर्मोडायनेमिक्स देर इज ए प्रेशर वॉल्यूम टाइप ऑफ वर्क और पीवी वर्क. सो व्हाट इज मीन बाय पीवी वर्क? इट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्रेशर एंड वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू वर्क. So pressure is the force per unit area. So we put the value force per unit area into V. V means volume. If D is the distance, then we take A is equal to D square and V is equal to D cube. A means area and F divided by D square into D cube. This D square cancel. Remaining what? F into D, and which is equal to W. Here we write F into D is equal to W. So pressure volume type of work is also F into D. Here we take a example to explore the pressure volume type of work. Here we take two examples. One is the expansion of gas and other is the compression of the gas. First we take the example decomposition of H2O2. So here 2H2O2 gives H2O plus O2. 2H2O gives 2H2O plus O2. In this reaction there is a liberation of oxygen. If we consider a cylinder and which is enclosed with weightless and frictionless piston. In this cylinder here is H2O2. So in this reaction what happens? Oxygen is liberated. So oxygen, the mass of oxygen is raised, and so the piston moves in upward direction. So piston is moved here. Here is oxygen. Here oxygen is produced. So expansion occur. Piston move in upward direction. System move piston in upward direction. The gas produced, that is oxygen produced, push the piston in upward direction. So the mass of the surrounding is raised and work is done by the system on the surrounding. Here work is done by the system. System कडून on the surrounding वर झालेले. This is the pressure volume type of expansion. This type of work done means expansion type of work. Second example is the reaction of NH3 gas means ammonia gas and HCl. In this case HCl plus NH3 gas plus HCl gas gives what? NH4 Cl ammonium chloride, as this reaction is the example of compression of the gas. Here this is the piston. NH3 and HCl if react, NH4Cl is formed, and NH4Cl gas, NH4Cl solid is compress the piston, so work is done by the surrounding on the system. सराउंडिंग कडून होते आणि कुणावर होते, सिस्टीम वरती होते. सो ॲज दिस रिॲक्शन इज प्रोसीड, देर इज ए डिक्रीज इन व्हॉल्यूम. पिस्टन moves in downward direction. There is a decrease in height of the mass, and so in the process of the surrounding lose energy to the system and perform the work on the system. This is the compression type of work, because the volume of the gas is decreases and piston move in downward direction. So this is the example of compression. Next is the nature of heat. The symbol of heat, nature of heat. The symbol of Q. Here heat is a form of energy. Heat is the form of energy by which the system exchange with its surrounding. सिस्टीम आणि सराउंडिंग मध्ये त्या ठिकाणी ही जी हीट आहे ती एनर्जीच्या फॉर्म मध्ये काय होत असते, एक्सचेंज होत असते. आणि ही एक्सचेंज कधी होत असते, जर का सिस्टीमचं आणि सराउंडिंगचं टेम्परेचर जर का डिफरंट असेल. ही या ठिकाणी हा जर का गॅस कन्सिडर केला आपण, आणि इथं सिस्टीम आहे आणि हे म्हणजे सराउंडिंग आहे. या दोन्हीचं टेम्परेचर, सिस्टीमचं आणि सराउंडिंगचं टेम्परेचर जर का वेगवेगळं असेल तर या ठिकाणी काय होत असतं, तर एनर्जी एक्सचेंज होत असते. हीट जी आहे ती एक्सचेंज होत असते एनर्जीच्या फॉर्म मध्ये. सो दिस हीट अँड वर्क डन both have a sign convention, and we see the next point is sign convention of W and Q. Here system, and this is the surrounding. A system exchange energy with its surrounding either by transfer of heat or work done. System exchange energy with its surrounding either by transfer of heat or work done, and this heat and work done has sign convention, plus and minus. So when it is plus and when it is minus, so if heat is absorbed by the system, then the sign of Q is plus or positive. If system absorb heat from the surrounding, this is the surrounding, then the sign of heat, that is Q, is plus sign. If system lose energy or given out or release, then heat is minus sign. That is, if heat released by the system to the surrounding, then Q is negative sign. Similarly, in work done, if work is done on the system by the surrounding, सराउंडिंग कडून सिस्टीम वरती जर का वर्क डन झालं, then W is positive. Work is done on the system by the surrounding, then W is positive. If work is done by the system on the surrounding, here work is done by the system on the surrounding, then W is negative, that is there is a expansion. Here plus W means there is a compression. So this Q and W both are a path function, that is it depends on path by which a system choose. It does not a state function, it is a both are path function. It does not initial and final state, it depends on the path followed by the system. Okay, these are the sign convention. Question is asked in exam, what is the sign convention of W and Q? Okay, thank you.